Hi, welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. I'm Geoff Phillips, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to determine the midpoints of the sides of a polygon. So let's get started. I might start with a pentagon, for example, using the Polygon tool, and it's not a pentagon. I'll reduce the number of corners up here, say 5, there we go, and the select tool. Now we have a regular pentagon. Now it might be that you want to produce a diagram that helps students draw axes of symmetry, or you might just want the midpoints for some other geometric construction. But the way to do it is to ensure you've got the correct snapping tools activated. I've turned on my snapping toolbar up here, and I've got snap to cusp nodes, which is important, and snap to other points I haven't got on. That has to do with object centres and rotation centres. Snap to grid I don't need. Snap to guides I don't think I need. It's really only object midpoints, and here it is here. That's the other one I was looking for. So cusp nodes and object midpoints is what we want. So I'll ensure those are activated. Now I'm going to draw a short little side marker, or I suppose I could use circles. Let's just go with the side markers for the moment. Using my Bezier pen tool, click that. I'll do a vertical one first, click, hold down Control to ensure vertical movement, click again and enter. And if I zoom in on that, you see a little side marker there. Now it might be that I want to use that side marker to mark the midpoint of this side down here. And you can see I just dragged it there and it snapped. So if I can get it to do it again, it's cusp node to line midpoint. The line midpoint it's referring to is the side midpoint. So there I have marked the midpoint. You may wish to tidy things up by rotating these little lines to be perpendicular to the sides or close to it. You can just rotate those around. If the snapping behaviour annoys you too much, drag it away. Get it roughly perpendicular. Click away and then sort of drag back until we find the cusp node snap into the line midpoint. So that's one way of determining an object midpoint. I think that's probably enough for now. If you wanted to do any old polygon, I'll just show you how that works. If I just click in several places just to produce a skew quadrilateral and show you that I'll just copy this mark, Control C, Control V over here. And you can see I'll rotate it around first to get roughly perpendicular to this side perhaps here, and if I move it into position roughly where the midpoint is, there it is, it's snapped onto the midpoint. I might actually just continue this one, so I'll Control C, Control V over here, rotate it around again roughly 90 degrees, drag it into position, and there's another midpoint marked. Control C, Control V, click a second time, that enables the rotation handles, click away, and you can see it's snapping to the middle of the line. You might have to drag it, you can do either, drag it so that it snaps on an end of a little line, so we go to all the middle. Control C, Control V once more, click again, rotate, it's about 90 degrees, probably would have been simpler if I'd used. See there it's snapped into the middle. Oh, now it's snapped to the end. Would have been simpler if I'd used circles or little dots, I guess. Now the reason I'd completed that those midpoint markers is just to show you, which you might already know, I use the Bezier pen tool to snap onto all of these. It should be an example of the midpoints of any quadrilateral forming a parallelogram, and there we go. That completes this tutorial. Hope that's been of some use to you. Thanks for watching.